Hello everyone, this is Ankita. Welcome to Poetry Academy. Today I am going to show a very interesting app, AIRScanner. This app is available in Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, we can search as AIRScanner. This app is a very interesting app. It is an AIRScanner with AI Dictionary and Narrator. So let us install this app. The app has been installed, so let us open it. Here we can capture an image, we can import an image from our gallery, and even we can choose a PDF file. So let us capture an image. We can set a file name. Then we have to click on OK. It needs some permission like allow AIRScanner to take pictures and record videos. We click on allow. Next, allow AIRScanner to access photos, videos and files on your device. Click on allow. Let me capture a document which I need. The document has been captured. Here I can give filters over here like original. There are filters grayscale, black and white and magic. This is the black and white and this is the magic filter. I can adjust my document over here. Next we can reset the image. We can again reset the dots around the document. Next after that we have to click on the place. Here, if we want to add another page, then we have to tap on add to new pages. Otherwise, we can directly click on the arrow sign. The interesting thing over here is the AI narrator. Like the right hand side below, there is a headphone sign. If I click on this, it will read what is written in the document. So let's see.
Chapter 0 Recapitulation of Elementary Concept of Statics 0.1 Introduction Mechanics is that branch of science which is concerned with the conditions of rest or of motion of the objects, material bodies.
So the AI narrator reads the contents in the document. Another interesting thing, if I click on the search button given below at the left corner, then it will give the meanings of the words which I want. For example, I'm clicking on the search button. Then I have to click on the word which I want the meaning of it. So let me click on word. So I click on develop. So here it gives me the meaning of the word develop. We can share the file. We can save the file. For sharing the file, we have to click on share option. And over here, we can get an export document option, like we can adjust our quality of the document, low, minimum, high and ultra. So let me do it ultra, then we have to click on done. Now we can share our file through various medium like WhatsApp, mail, or we can save it to our drive. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Poetry Academy. Thank you.